Hey guys, it's Henry, and just got this package in the mail from Mopeink. Go check out his channel. He's legit. I sent first. So yeah, and yeah, that's my name, Henry. So yeah, yeah, he sent first. So thanks, Nico. And yeah, I'm gonna open it. I traded him some money for an SD card for this camera. So yeah. Holy crap. I guess he sent me some extras. A mopefb sticker. An audio sticker. Love it. Locket sticker. Holy crap. Oh my gosh, thanks. Oh my gosh, you give me so much crap. Skate warehouse sticker. Dan's comp sticker. Dan's comp sticker. So yeah, he gave me some extras. There's a note. I might read it, I might not, so. Thanks for buying. Hope you like it. Thanks. Peace. So yeah, send me a note too. Another mopefb sticker. And last but not least, the 16 gigabyte memory card. So yeah, thanks for the stuff. He's legit. Go check him out. I'll put his channel in the description. He makes decks and ramps, I think. So yeah, he's legit. Thanks a lot once again, and yeah, see you guys.